Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can add anything uh, for a sold out product for Shopify DOM theme. Here is you can see the product and product in product catalog, and there is the product card, DOM theme product card. I will add a button here below the product title that will be only show if the product is sold out or unavailable. Let's do it. Uh, as we can go to the themes as a DOM theme, go to the edit code and search for go to the snippets and search for product card product dot liquid, and we'll show this to the below to the product title. Okay, so let's inspect, and I'll copy the class here and I will search for it. It's- okay, so here is the product title. Let's check it. Okay, so this area where we need to add that button below the title. Let's now the condition is if the product is unavailable or sold out, we will only add that button to the below the title of sold out product. So the condition will be we can just copy the condition from here. Card product available is equal false. We can just copy it and add it to the title and the condition. Check it. Refresh the page, and so it works. The sold out product and below the title is an unavailable, and the sale product, the available product is not showing the uh, text here. So now in the condition, if I add anything, we can add anything, the button, anything, link or text, that will be only show if the product is unavailable. We can add a button here. I can copy a button from this. So on theme style, you can add anything you need. Okay, so this is the things wanted to add. I'm unavailable button, and so you can now, following this tutorial, you can add anything below the title of sold out product. It will be work similarly for Shopify all free themes. I'm just doing it for the down theme, but you can add any free theme uh, following by same condition. Okay, thanks for the watching.